So hello everyone, meron tayong bagong labas kay Spark Slim, which is si, ayan po, Spark Slim sa ating Tecno na naghahanap ng perfect phone, curved design, and then may mga light effects na rin tayo na pwede nating gamitin. Every time makareceive kayo notification, perfect for gaming, perfect for camera phone, the curved design, and the slimmest phone as of now here in the Philippines, almost the same of iPhone Air. Ayan, perfect.
Ayan, ano specs niya dyan?
So, ito po ay naka 16256 and naka Helio G200, perfect for gaming. And then, supported na rin po tayo ng partnership natin ng Honor of King. AMOLED display, 144Hz and naka 1.5K and 144Hz refresh rate. Perfect.
Can you show us the camera, please?
So, kung gusto mong makita yung camera, you don't have to worry dahil napakalinaw. Hindi ka bibiguin. Hindi gaya ng jowa mo. Chariels, ayan.
Guys, meron pa siyang dual video, right?
Yes.
Yes, yeah.
Front and back camera, pwede ka mamili ng style na gusto mo.
May AI features na siya for
Yes.
under 10K, right?
Supported na rin po tayo ng mga AI features. Tama po. And then may flash knob na rin po siya, which is usually talaga nakikita natin sa mga common series.
Yeah.
But here in Spark Slim, they have also a flash knob and supported of AI and long battery life with 5,160 mAh of long battery. Just visit us here at SM Bacoor Smart Gadget Store. We have here a store previous, which is the phone stand, and they have also inside the box the case and especially a tempered.
Okay, so Spark Slim for only 9,499 pesos.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Perfect.